So I'm using this weird special effect thing, and you probably can't see how close that was, but damn, that was close. It's like, it's on your honor system here, safety. We trust you not to kill yourselves. Well, I guess it happens, but anyways. Here we are. This is not Shizuoka, this is outside. I don't know where the hell I am. Try to find out here in a second. But anyways, this is Scumbag Flanders. Yogori back this. Konnichiwa. Konbanwa. Anyways, just hung out with the Mullies, Jin Mullins, and company. Had the dinner. It was awesome. And hung out, checked out his guitars, and what else? Showed me around his house, and Tamako was feeling a little under the weather, so she was hanging out on the couch on the interweb. But yeah, that's pretty much it. So I'm gonna go home and rest up. Go see what there is to see in Shizuoka. There's a badass castle, fortress, and what else? This big temple shrine and stuff. Yeah, I'm in Fujieda. How do you say that? Let's see that. Anyways, we're discussing plans and what we're gonna do, and it's gonna be good times.